Would you like to know how to make money part-time at home? Well, good news, I'm going to talk about making money online in 2020. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dale R. Roberts, best-selling author as well as a self-publishing advocate who wants to show you how to publish books that sell. And if you want that too, of course, subscribe to this channel. And also join me on Twitch every Monday at 12 p.m. Also, if you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe to me at twitch.tv/self-publish and you'll get a few extra freebies in the process. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you the easiest way to stack all of these recommendations. That's right, you don't have to choose one or the other. You can utilize all 5 of these. I've been an online entrepreneur since about 2014. I've been doing it full time, but I do know a few of these avenues. Even if you just chipped away at it a little bit every day or maybe once per week, you can start to see some revenue trickling in. So I can confidently recommend these 5 ways to make money part-time at home in 2020. Number 1, freelancing work. If you have a skill or you have knowledge that other people don't have, then chances are pretty likely some people might want to hire you for that. Places like Fiverr and Upwork and even places like Craigslist are just a treasure trove when it comes to other online entrepreneurs looking for your help. So if, for instance, you're really good at cleaning up photos, then chances are likely I might want to hire you. I might send in some of my photos that I have done through iPhone and send it to you and have it cleaned up. Let's just say, for instance, you're a great video editor, then chances are likely I might want to hire you. Think about what you are good at. Focus on your strengths and find a platform to set up shop and just slowly dabble at this and make a little bit extra money online part-time. Number 2, affiliate marketing. If you like a specific brand, product, service, or company, then chances are pretty likely they're going to pay you to refer people over towards that direction. It works like this. If you like a product, then you probably are going to share it. Now, just imagine if a company paid you for referring people over towards that direction. As a very loose example, if I had a movie I just got done watching and I really enjoyed it and I told you about it and you went and watched it, the theater would then come back and give me a portion of the ticket sale from me sending you over to watch the movie. Pretty cool, right? Well, you're probably saying, well, how do I find these affiliate programs? Super simple. You're going to open up Google and essentially type into the browser, whatever it be, the brand, the product, the service, followed by affiliate program. And chances are pretty likely it'll pull it on up there. And each one of the affiliate programs are going to vary on how they pay you and when they pay you. So just make sure that you're paying attention to their terms of service. I see sometimes as low as 20 cents per acquisition to as much as say $20, $50, or even $100 for sending traffic towards them. It's going to be up to you to do your own due diligence when it comes to affiliate marketing. Number 3, course creation. Remember how I was saying if you had a specific skill set or knowledge when it came to freelancing work? What if someone wanted to learn that from you? They didn't want to hire you. They want to learn how you did it. Well, that's where courses come into play. And between places like Gumroad and Teachable and one of my preferred places like Thinkific and Kajabi and so on and so forth, there are different course hosting platforms that you can set up shop. Now, this is going to require a little bit more work up front. So if you're doing this part-time, it might take a little longer for you to start up a course. The nice thing is, as soon as you've done a course and it remains evergreen, you can send traffic over towards that direction and people will pay a premium to learn from you. Number 4, self-publishing. I know, shocker, right? You're on a channel that's called Self-Publishing with Dale that I'm going to mention the fact that you can make money part-time online with self-publishing. Specifically, what you're publishing are books, and this could be ebooks, print books, and audiobooks. And these 3 things, I'll tell you, has made a substantial living for my wife and I over the past 6 years now. Don't get overwhelmed by it. One of the things I'd recommend, first of all, is subscribe to this channel, of course. Make sure that you turn the bell notifications on so you don't miss a single one of these videos, and also go through the back catalog of the videos that I have here. Very simply put, between Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Barnes & Noble Press, Ingram Spark, Lulu.com, there's so many platforms you can utilize to produce written content. So if you've had a book that's been remaining inside your shelf in your mind, then I would really recommend you get it out of there and put it into any of the mediums of ebook, print book, or audiobook right away, because you could start to make a part-time living. The nice thing is you don't need to be awake in order to make a sale. They'll do the sale for you and you go ahead and make money while you sleep. Now, before I get to the number 5 solution, I want to let you know, stick around for the bonus tip, because I'm going to tell you how to really put everything together. Number 5, email marketing. Okay, so don't just go and take your email account that you have, say through Gmail or Yahoo, and start to send off people, your freelancing work and your affiliate marketing and your courses and your books. That's a no-go. That's what's called spam. Actually, there's services out there, including the likes of places like MailChimp, MailerLite, and my preferred place of SendFox, that you can do a lot of this and, get it to where you're not spamming people. And essentially what you're going to do is have people join your email newsletter through one of these services through what's called a landing page, which is essentially like a microsite to where people can subscribe to your email newsletter. And in that event, when you get people to join that newsletter, you can start to market them all the different affiliate products that you're involved in, as well as any freelancing work, any books that you're publishing, as well as any type of courses. Here's the bonus tip though. The thing that's going to wrap everything together, you're looking at it right now. Video marketing. Video is huge. Actually, a couple years ago, a good friend of mine, Owen Video, actually shared at the Merch by Amazon conference in Seattle how over 80% of online consumption will be in video by 2021. That means 8 out of every 10 people are going to be watching video. So one of the things you need to do is get yourself on video. It could be on YouTube, it can be on Facebook, it can be on Twitch. There's so many other services that you can take advantage of. YouTube is probably the easiest ones in my opinion. And now that you have all these tips put together, and I told you a little bit about self-publishing, believe it or not, there's a platform called Kindle Direct Publishing. And in fact, I actually go through a full review of it in this very next video down here. Is KDP worth it in 2020? Well, you'll find out when you join me in the next video. See you then.